It's a nice area with the mall and different things to do.
Tammy Simmons is visiting from Jackson, Mississippi. Her daughter is playing in a youth basketball tournament at the Hoover Met Complex.
We don't have any facilities like this back home, and our team was actually just talking about how great it would be to have something like this.
The Hoover Met is hosting its very first dual ball tournament this weekend. More than 80 youth basketball teams and more than 50 youth baseball teams.
So it's an opportunity to have people from all over the Southeast, and we've had people as far as Connecticut and Oklahoma and Texas come in for some of our basketball tournaments.
A reminder that places like the Hoover Met Complex are not exactly plentiful. That's why teams from far away are willing to make the drive to Hoover.
Where almost every weekend we've got a tournament that's bringing anywhere from 60 to about 150 teams, depending on the sport.
Not only using the facilities, but visiting other local businesses.
We're fixing to go eat right now, so we're looking for somewhere to go eat. We're staying the weekend in a hotel.
The Hoover Met Complex looking forward to many more weekends like this one. An expansion project is underway at the Hoover Met Complex now. New fields will be available for various sports like soccer and lacrosse. There will also be a splash pad. Coming up on WVTM 13 News at 6, we'll talk about how Tuscaloosa is looking to cash in on youth ball tournaments like this one. Jeff?
Chip, thank you very much.